Welcome everyone. We are discussing straight lines. Today I will discuss how to find family of lines, equation of family of lines. So look, there are two lines, intersecting lines. So there are two intersecting lines, they intersect at P. Look, through P you get many lines, many lines. So they are called family of lines. Family of lines. Through the point of intersection of two lines, we get many lines. They are called family of lines. So, what is our theory? You look, equation of lines through point of intersection of two intersecting lines, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0 are first equation plus k into second equation. Any constant into second equation. You can interchange also this one, second equation plus k into first equation. So this is first degree equation in x and y. So it represents equation of line. For different values of k, you get different lines. So that is why they are called family of lines. So what is the rule? You transfer all terms to left hand side of the first equation and also second equation, then you write the formula. So family of lines. So application. You find equation of line through point of intersection of this and parallel to y-axis. So when one condition is given, you get only single line. That is why here find equation of line. So first equation is x minus 7y plus 5 equals to 0 and this is 3x plus y equals to 0. You transfer all the terms to left hand side. So here it is given in left hand side, second also. So what is family of lines? So equation of line through point of intersection of 1 and 2. Equation of line through point of intersection of 1 and 2. So you write the formula. So x minus 7y plus 5 plus k into second equation equals to 0. So k is unknown. Now to find k, one condition to be given. What is our condition? It is parallel to y-axis. Now we can write it in this form, 1 plus 3k into x. So here x, here 3kx plus y common k minus 7, k minus 7 plus 5 equals to 0. So you can call also this as. Now look at the condition. The equation will be parallel to y-axis. So you know equation of line parallel to y-axis. So this is of the form x equals to k. That is, there is no term involving y. So no term involving y. So if this represents equation of line parallel to y-axis, coefficient of y must be 0. So parallel to y-axis, x equals to k. No terms in terms of y. So since it represents line parallel to y-axis. Therefore, coefficient of y equals to 0. That is k minus 7 equals to 0. So k equals to 0. So coefficient of y must be 0 because parallel to y-axis it is represented by x equals to constant. So this is our main aim to find value of k. Therefore, required line. So what is value of k? K equals to 7. So 3 implies 22x. 7 into 3, 22x. This one is 0 plus 5 equals to 0. So our final answer is 22x plus 5 equals to 0. So you can also solve it without using formula. So point of intersection. So you solve 1 and 2, find point of intersection. Find point of intersection. Then equation of line. So look, alternative. You can also use alternative. So you first find point of intersection. So what is point of intersection? So solving 1 and 2. So if we put y equals to minus 3x, y equals to minus 3x to this equation, y equals to minus 3x. So x plus 21x plus 5 equals to 0. So what is x minus 5 by 22? Now what is y? Y equals to minus 3x. So 15 by 22. So what is point of intersection? 5 by 22, 15 by 22. Now equation of line parallel to y-axis. We have already discussed it. It is x equals to k. Now since it passes through, you are getting a formation. Since it passes through minus 5 by 22, 15 by 22. So therefore, k equals to minus 5 by 22. So what is equation of required line? So x equals to minus 5 by 22 or 22x plus 5 equals to 0. We are getting same equation. So look, you can also find point of intersection, then you can find it without using formula. But if it is difficult to find point of intersection, it will be simple if you use this equation. Or you learn later, I will discuss, when combined equation is given, you can write it as a sum of two equations. As a sum of two equations. So you can use this, or without using it, you can solve it as you please. Next, now you consider one more problem. Prove that equation of line through intersection of lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. Intersection of this and passing through alpha beta can be expressed as a1x plus b1y plus c1 by a1 alpha plus b1 beta plus c1 equals to a2x plus b2y plus c2 by a2 alpha b2 beta plus c2. So you look, point of intersection of these two lines. So if you find point of intersection of these two lines, then point is not in simplified form because it involves a2, b2 and c2. you have to solve it. Then you are getting one point and another point is given. So you can find equation by 2-point formula. But you have to put the result in this form. So if you use this method, it will be lengthy and very difficult to prove in this, to get proof in this form. So we use here theory. Now two equations are given. Therefore, family of lines, equation of family of lines. So this one is same equation, first equation plus k into second equation. So this is formula. So call it 1. First equation plus lambda times second equation or k times. Now to find k, one condition is given. So what is our condition? It passes through alpha beta, that is x equals to alpha, y equals to beta. So since it passes through alpha beta, a1 alpha, b1 beta plus c1, k into a2 alpha, b2 beta plus c2 equals to 0. So what is k? K equals to minus a1 alpha, b1 beta plus c1 by a2 alpha, b2 beta plus c2. So we are getting value of k. Now put value of k to this combined equation, that is in 1. So 1 implies a1x, b1y plus c1. What is k? K is minus a1 alpha, b1 beta plus c1 by a2 alpha, b2 beta plus c2 into a2x, b2y plus c2 equals to 0. So we are getting the proof. You look, it should be written in this form. So this implies a1x, b1y plus c1 equals to this. So by omitting one step, a1 alpha, b1 beta plus c1. So if you transfer to right hand side, it will be a2x, b2y plus c2, and it is a2 alpha, b2 beta plus c2 into a1 alpha English. We are taking to left hand side. So we are getting this result. So look, if we use the formula of family of lines, then you get the result directly. So in this case, so this method will be simple. So write equation of line, use condition, find k, put value of k. Next. Now one more problem. This is most important problem. Find equation of line through point of intersection of x minus 3y plus 1 equals to 0 and this 2x plus 5y minus 9 equals to 0, whose distance from 0, 0 is √5 unit. So two equations are given, x minus 3y plus 1 and another is 2x plus 5y minus 9 equals to 0. So all the terms are in left hand side. So what is our formula? Family of lines. Equation of family of lines. First equation plus k into second equation equals to 0. So take x common 1 plus 2k, y common 5k minus 3, to make it positive 5k then minus 3, then 1 minus 9k equals to 0. So we are getting the combined equation of family of lines. Now it involves k. Now to find k, one condition is given. What is condition? Its distance from 0, 0 is √5. So given, so perpendicular distance from 0, 0. So you know 1 plus 2k into 0, 0 into 5k minus 3. So this part is absent, 1 minus 9k by 1 plus 2k whole square by 5k minus 3 whole square. So try to recall, ax plus by plus c equals to 0, perpendicular distance from 0, 0. cy root over a square plus b square. What is c? 1 minus 2k. You can put as modulus sign. Now this is our perpendicular distance. Now it is given to be 5. So this equals to 5. Now our main aim is to find k. Now squaring both sides, 1 minus 9k whole square equals to 5 into 1 plus 2k whole square, 5k minus 3 whole square, 5k minus 3 whole square. So we are getting quadratic equation in k, and you have to find k. So let us expand it. 81k square plus 1 minus 18k. So 5 into 4k square plus 4k plus 1. So 25k square minus 30k plus 9. So 25 and this is 4. So 29. So 81k square minus 18k plus 1. So 29 into 5. 145 k square. And this is 4k, this is 26k. Minus 30 and this is plus 4k. So 26k into 5. So 26k. So minus 130k. And this is 10. 10 into 5. So this is 50. So we are getting 5, 9 plus 1 into 5. So transfer all term to left hand side. If you transfer to one side, so 1 8, this is 4 5. So this is 4, 4, and this is 8, 8. So this is 64k square. 130 plus 18. So this is 2, 2, and this is 2. So 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2k, and this is 50, and this is 1. So plus 49 equals to 0. Now this is quadratic equation. You have to find value of k. Now I think this is 8 square, this is 7 square, 56 into 2. So this is whole square. So 8k minus 7 whole square equals to 0. So k equals to 7 by 8. 8k minus 7, so k equals to 7 by 8. So look, this is square term. So you are getting k. So putting value of k in 1, you get equation of line. So what is value of k? K is 7 by 8. So required line x into 1 plus 7 by 8. So this is 7 by 4, 2k. Y into 5k, 35 by 8, 35 by 8 minus 3, 1 minus 9 into 7, 63 by 8 equals to 0. Now simplifying, you get result. So you simplify and you get the result. So listen again, two equations are given. So equation of family of lines. So k is unknown. Now one condition is given, perpendicular from 0, 0 is given. So this equals to root 5 unit. Equate the condition, we are getting a quadratic equation, this one. And if we simplify it, we get k equals to 7 by 8. Putting value of k, we get equation of family of lines. Now you consider two more problems. Find equation of line through point of intersection of this and this and perpendicular to this line. So we have already solved this problem. So look, without using the formula, we have already solved this one. Two equations are given. So solving two equations, you get point of intersection. Now, given line is 3x minus 5y plus 11 equals to 0. Now, what is perpendicular equation? You know, you have to change the coefficient, then change coefficient of any one of either x or y. So, this is perpendicular equation. Now, k to be determined using the condition, using point of intersection. So, put value of x and y and we get k. Or using formula, so first equation plus k into second equation equals to 0. So, we try to solve the problem using formula. So now what is combined equation? 5x minus 6y plus 1 plus k into 3x plus 2y plus 5 equals to 0. Now x common, 5 plus 3k. Y common, this is 2k minus 6 and this is 5k plus 1 equals to 0. So this is combined equation. Now to find k, one condition is given. This line is perpendicular to this line. So if two lines are perpendicular, you have to find slope. M1, M2 is minus 1. So what is slope of the line? So M1 equals to 5 plus 3k by 2k minus 6 with a negative sign. Transfer this to right hand side, so we are getting a negative coefficient of x by coefficient of y, when x and y are of different sign. Now this is perpendicular to 3x minus 5y plus 1 equals to 0. Now what is M2? M2 is 3 by 5. M2 is 3 by 5. Now this is 2. 1 and 2 are perpendicular. So M1 and M2 equals to minus 1. This implies, so 5 plus 3k and this is 2k minus 6 into 3 by 5 equals to minus 1. And here also a minus 1. So you are getting a condition. From this condition you have to find k. So what is k? Minus minus cancel. So 15 plus 9k. 3 into 5, 15 plus 9k. So minus minus cancel. So 10k minus 30. So 5 into 2, 10k minus 30. So you are getting what is k? K equals to 45. K equals to 45. So listen again, 5x minus 6y. So 5 plus 3k and this is 2k minus 6. So slope is 2k minus 6, 5 plus 3k. So this is 3 by 5. M1, M2 equals to minus 1. So what is M1? M1 is this and this is M2, minus minus cancel. So 15 plus 9k equals to 10k minus 30. So k is to be transferred here. So k equals to 45. So put value of k, you get equation of line. Put value of k and we get equation of line. So you can use direct method. If point of intersection is very simple, then you can use direct method. That is, find point of intersection, then use condition. Now problem number 5. Equation of line through point of intersection of these and these and having equal intercepts on axis. Equal intercepts on axis. So family of lines. Family of lines. So first equation, so all the terms are in left hand side, k into second equation. So x common 2k plus 4, x common 2k plus 4, y common 7 minus 7 minus 3k, k minus 3 equals to 3. Now we want to put it intercept form. So what is intercept form? X into 2k plus 4, y into 7 minus 3k equals to 3 minus. So in intercept form, this is x by 3 minus k by 2k plus 4, y by 7 minus 3k by 3 minus k by 7 minus 3k equals to 1. Omitting one step. Omitting one step. So right hand side must be 1. So divide throughout by 3 minus k. Now what is intercept form? X by a, y by b equals to 1. X intercept a, y intercept b. Now what is our condition? Here one condition is given, intercepts are equal. So given 3 minus k by 2k plus 4 equals to 3 minus k by 7 minus. Here k not equals to, if we get k, take k equals to 3, then intercept will be 0. Now this implies, so 2k plus 4 equals to 7 minus 3k. 2k plus 4, 7 minus 3k. So 5k equals to 3. So 5k equals to 3. So this implies k equals to 3 by 5. K equals to 3 by 5. So putting value of k equals to 3 by 5. So you get required line. So what will be required line? So x into 2 into 3 by 5 plus 4, y into 7 minus 3 into 3 by 5 equals to 3 minus 3 by 5. So simplifying, you get this. So same procedure in all cases. Write equation of family of lines, make it in standard form, use condition and k, and you get equation of line. So I have already said that you can also solve it by finding point of intersection. So today, through this class, I have solved some problems of family of lines and their applications. So in the next class, I will solve problem of competitive exam using this formula. So thank you for today.